Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the accessories that I bought online from a site called Temu. These are especially to make the bags and the crochets I use for crocheting my blankets. So I'm going to show you. So this one is 25 milliliter, and this is how it looks like. It's a very soft one, and over here it's a plastic one, and it crochets very softly, and the yarn does not get tangled, so it's very good. I had a metal one, but I opted for the plastic one. So I had one which got very old, and this is 20 milliliter and then I have another one as per your yarn size, as per the size of the yarn. So I bought a set, and it's very easy and convenient to use this crochet, and not very expensive. I bought them for about €2 a packet. As you can see, they have all sizes and beautiful colors. So if you like, you can go ahead and buy this one. Then I have this set of hand. It's when you make your hand bag, you can use this to attach this way on your crochet bag. So as you can see, they're very stiff, and it doesn't get break. So this one also I bought from Temu. They're not expensive as well, so you can go and check on the site of Temu if you like. So then I have another different type of handle which I use for my crocheting bags. You can see it's very easy. There are two of them. You can see it's very easy. So you can insert over here like that and close it. So you see it doesn't move, and it's very easy, practical. So you can use in these holes, you can use a small yarn, because I always use the bigger yarn, but this one is for the normal yarn. So you can start from here, or you can make your bag, and then at the end, if you are crocheting, you can stitch all this from all these holes, and you can finish up the project. But in my case, I start from upwards, going downwards. So I finish closing my work on the top side. So it's very easy, and same thing applies to this one as well. Then I have this one as well. As you can see, this one is a little bit different. This one is the base of crocheting baskets or bags also. Then at the end, you can come and put these handles as per the color you like. So I have different colors. I got set of different colors. You can see I have the black one as well. brown as well, the brown one, and I have a beige color. As you can see, I have the beige color. So this is how it looks like. So they are very good, they're stiff, and it's waterproof, so you can go ahead and buy this base of making baskets, crocheting your baskets from online site called Temu. So if you like my video till today, please like, share and subscribe. And once more, if you're crocheting your bags or baskets, you can go on the site of Temu, and they're not expensive. For a start, you can use this one, so it's very practical. So thank you so much for liking and subscribing my channel. Till then, next time, see you, bye bye.